Welcome guys, welcome to Florida Kitchen. Today we'll be doing some churrasco. It's Labor Day and we're having some festivities here. Churrasco is grilled meat on the on the grill, and it's a Nicaraguan style. And believe it or not, the only thing we put is bitter orange, but you could actually use a fruit which is better, but we use this one, bitter orange, that you could find at any store. We just cut it into pieces and we're gonna add some salts on it, and we're gonna be grilling them. It's gonna come out amazing. I also did a pico de gallo over there, which is tomatoes, onions, and cilantro. So we let that marinate. I suggest that you let it marinate a night before, because all of the juices are going to be amazing on that meat. And cut all of the fat. If there's any fats, cut the fats. Now we're going to be adding some lemon, and I suggest you add a small onion. We just added those 3 rings of onion, but a small onion is better. And just grill the onion with the meat separately, obviously, and it would give it nice flavor. And we're gonna add that lemon. Okay guys, today's a beautiful day. Thanking God that the hurricane didn't blast over Florida, and now we have that grill right there ready. So we're gonna go that is saying to bring the meat out, so we're gonna bring that meat out, and to bring a big fork. So let's do that. Here's all that meat. I would suggest, like I said before, to let it marinate. Here, Daddy, take it from me. Okay, it's heavy. We're watching a Canadian series, Road to Avonlea. If you've never watched it, I recommend it, highly recommend it. It's amazing. Okay, so let's see this adventure. Wow, look at that meat. Hopefully you guys are able to see it quite clearly. The sun is shining quite strongly, and it smells delicious, guys. This is a delicacy. This is the actual Nicaraguan type of food that we do. Wow, that's delicious. And it's just simple, guys. Just marinate it in bitter orange, put a little bit of lemon, and now we have some hot tortillas right there, and we have our famous gallo pinto, which is rice mixed with beans. We bought it actually from outside so that we don't have to make it. But I do have on my channel, you see there's a gallo pinto, rice mixed with beans. That's a Nicaraguan style. You could check on my channel how to make it. I have the recipe, and it's a great day. Thanking God for protecting us. Wow, what an amazing day. We're gonna close that and wait a little bit. All right, we're gonna wait. Oh, let's look at the progress of that meat. Wow. I know those neighbors can smell this, and it smells delicious. Right, Dad? Wow. Look at this beautiful day. Let's pray for the people in the Bahamas, praying for their protection, and hopefully they're able to restore themselves quickly. Wow, that's just amazing. So what we're doing is that we're adding a little bit of olive oil right there. Wow, this tastes delicious. Some of us like our meats very well done. I like it medium well, but this looks amazing. Wow, look at those sounds. Delicious, delicious, right, Dad? Beautiful. And we're putting right there in the pan so it can sit while we serve ourselves. This is the end result. Look, guys, gallo pinto, rice mixed with beans, the juicy churrasco, some hot tortilla, pico de gallo on the side, a little bit of Nicaraguan cheese, and an amazing Canadian film. What more could you ask for? And my brother-in-law. All right, guys. See you later. Comment, subscribe, and join Florida Kitchen. Bye-bye.